finally did it. A complete rework of my solar e-bike. This did take almost a month and a little bit more, for the simple reason it was a lot of work. But first, look how it's running. It's really nice, and there isn't even any sun. And the fun part is I don't have the LiPos connected. I'm running straight on solar power, and it's moving just nice. I mean, could be a little bit more. Wait, come on, son, push me. Yeah, now. Okay, I stopped pedaling now just for fun. I deactivated the pedal assist sensor for this video. I'm going to turn it back on once I'm home. Stupid trees. But yeah, as you can see, it runs just fine. It's nicely supporting me, not taking all the work, but it's helping. It's like having wind from the back all the time. But enough talk, let's talk some more. Let me show you the features. So, what did I do? First of all, I had a Tupperware container on the back, and I didn't like it. It was ugly, it didn't really, I mean it did work, but I didn't like it. So I got a complete electronics compartment thingy in there, and it's safe for rain. Now you come out, right? So yeah, also we have a master switch to turn everything on and off. We have, I still have to label them. Let me turn all three on. One of them is this USB charger. I'm currently feeding the music box in the back, but I can use it for everything else. The middle switch is for front light, really bright, almost criminally bright, but yeah, really bright. And if I hit this, the main lights go on, and it's like really bright. Yeah, so there's no more, oh my god, I didn't see him. Everyone will see me. I have to connect the main LiPos so they can charge. What else did I do? I did get some new saddlebags, but I don't like them. I did also re-weld everything together with a friend, and it's trying to puncture the LiPos, you know? So I have to get saddlebags at like half the size. But I didn't find one so far. And this is the new solar array, and it's running in a special mode. The center one is like it always was. Center solar panel is feeding straight into the LiPos and all it can. It's, I think, 19 volts. It's nominal. So yeah, 19 volts going directly to a converter in the 48 LiPos. And the outer ones are running in series to give me 24 volts. And they are pretty much doing the same, except with a different charge controller. I got two of them. Nice. So yeah, I also still have my 12 volt output for flying. And yeah, I just made everything bigger. Have a look under it. I just attached a little frame. I can, if I undo these screws, I can take them off if I don't need them, but I guess for the summertime I will keep them. And they are just with some silicone mounted to the wood. That's good. Also, I decided I needed this, so everything just looks fun and nice. Yeah, I really enjoy this bike. It was a lot of work, but it's good. It's really good. Oh yeah, we goddamn, that's a hard word. We re-welded the complete seat. It's now more the shape of my back, but there's still some problems like this. And this could be a problem on a long trip, so I might have to redo the whole seat again. So that's it. This is your moment to subscribe if you really want to ride this, see this riding during the summertime, because I'm pretty much getting ready for riding. But with the coronavirus, we will see. I have to find time. So let's have a look. That's not even close. Yeah, give me that. So we are pulling 20 at the top, 30 at the top, 14 down, 18 down, 50 top, 30 down. The main problem is I always have to calculate it together. 80 top. I have to mark which one is which. And they shut down. That's still the problem. The moment the sun cuts, they go down to 0. It doesn't seem to be like they don't produce any power. They just don't seem to... How do I say this? Even if they drop to 0, I still get power in the front. So something is fishy. But yeah. Tell me in the comments what you think. Do you think this will work? I still have to clean it, just with garbage. Do you think it will work? I think so, but maybe you have a different opinion. So state your opinion in the comments, subscribe if you want to see the... Yeah, give me that, 1 second. So, 5 at the top, 30 down, 40 down, 50 down, 20 at the top, 80 down, 40 at the top, 90 down, 50 at the top, 110 down, 70 at the top. The lower one stays at 110. That could be the main solar panel. I'm not sure. Actually, let me figure out. Nope, the lower one is left and right. They should be delivering more. They should be delivering 100 watts each. So, one dropped down, the other one stays at 130. So yeah, this so works. But enough talk. You will see the rest during a trip. So, thanks for watching.